we get him in here and get him going, we'll find out whether or not he has any power.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go! Give it some gas!
Oh, give it gas!
Well then, if you're Army heart and I'm a Marine Corps heart, we're gonna make it.
All right, guys, we were on the way home. Got a call for, I think this is a Kia. Get this couple out of here. Hi. What was your name, sir?
Yeah, Mike Kemp.
Mike John.
We got on a while ago and drove 6 miles up there. Didn't have any trouble. We come back on here, and this time we got stuck before we even got to the road.
Yeah, some of the ramps get a little bit softer than others, so it just depends. I think I'm gonna try and dig it a little bit, and we're trying to give you a push before I gotta tow it, see if we can get you moving that way, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Can you drive it out for us then?
Well, I might want to try and have one of you guys drive so we can push it. If I tow it, I can definitely have him drive if you want. All right, you want to try and you want to drive? When you want to try and drive, we'll give it a push.
Where do you want us to go?
Okay, you said pull forward then?
No, we're gonna try and have you back up a little bit.
Back up. Okay.
We might rock it a little bit. I just want to see if it moves at all.
Okay.
You have your traction control off?
No, I don't think they have any traction.
It'll be right here, yep. Yep, is it on?
Is it electric?
I don't know. It's a rental car. I really don't know.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, so. All right. So I'm going to give you a 3, 2, 1. I just want you to give it a tiny bit of gas and try and back up.
Okay.
Just nice and easy. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice and easy. Yep. Keep going. There we go.
Awesome. Let's just keep going.
3 non-tow recoveries.
John, right?
John Jr., yes, sir.
I watch. My wife cracks up. I watch all of your YouTubes. all
That's
the time.
awesome.
Oh my
That's
God.
awesome.
I can't believe how bad it is. I never go north up in Norman.
Yeah, it gets way worse.
I can't believe how bad it's been up there. I've
Yeah.
been watching some of your videos.
Yeah, I know it. People tear it up.
He took
Nothing.
us to
I didn't tow it, so you don't owe me anything unless you want to tip me something.
I ought to give you a little tip anyway.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you much. Thank you.
Yes,
much.
of course. You guys have a great day, okay?
We got on the beach and went up through there and put out we knew.
Yeah, the further south you go, the better it is, but the further north you come, it gets worse.
Just to know.
Call it a day for today. Sounds good. Y'all have a good one, okay? Ta-da! Got him out of there. That's what matters. So, see you.
Later.
Sign. Luckily, I saw your sign. It's been laying over there in the sand. I told him the phone number off of it. So,
I appreciate
you
it.
guys have any way of sticking it? I mean, you
Yeah, my dad has the drill with him. I gotta get one, but we try and go through and pick him up. I appreciate you.
not too old to be pushing cars.
I know it. I know it.
That's your job. You're a young guy.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, y'all. Well, we got a call for an interesting one. It is a 30 or 35 foot motorhome, and it got stuck, and then it broke its transmission trying to get unstuck. So we're going to see what it's going to take to get it out, but come on along for the adventure.
Hey,
Hello.
how are you? We're stuck.
I'm all right. You're no.
No, right?
No, right?
Just a good.
We're here to help you with that.
Now, what do you bring? You try to pull me out to the road?
Yeah, I'm only gonna be able to do
I'm trying to call Good Sam to pick us up to get a tow.
when you get out on the highway. Okay.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, the only thing that I'm gonna need is, in order to get you going, I'm gonna need some power from you. So,
I
you know,
think
if
it
we,
drop some oil, but I think it's still. It'll
yeah,
still give me.
let it
something.
cool. Hopefully, it'll give you something that we can get going.
Yeah, I should.
Help down. Is he in the back? All right. Well, he's not touching in the back.
Yeah, it was coming out the front.
I mean, he's not dragging in the back. Yeah, I'm trying to see where it's leaking from. All right. Well, figure out how I'm gonna hook up onto it, and we'll go from there.
Should be a hook. No?
No, but that's okay. We'll go to the axle.
What's that far across? The sleigh bone?
Yeah, we'll go to the axle.
Yeah, the axle's going.
But we're gonna try and 30-foot her. If he has a little bit of juice and we can get her moving, that will be ideal. La 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 la. Oh. I'm gonna use these. We're gonna find out how much he's got to help.
Yes.
It's too heavy out here for the tow trucks. They'll get stuck. So I do have another truck and I can get 2 trucks on it, but hopefully we can get you rolling.
Yeah, once we're rolling, I think we'd be okay. But hey, all depends on how much torque your truck has.
Yeah.
Now, does it have an Army heart or does it have a Marine Corps heart?
It got a Marine Corps heart.
It's an Army heart.
Okay.
Do you see my plate?
Well then, if you're Army heart and I'm a Marine Corps heart, we're gonna make
We
it.
should be able to make it, right?
She'll be able to do it.
You know, the Army Corps for the I think we're okay, right?
Yeah, man, the Army gives us transportation and
Oh,
the
yeah.
Navy gives us boats.
Boats.
But whoever's in there fighting first,
Yes.
usually Green Beret,
Oh, those guys.
Navy SEALs, or our recon force.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Thank
All right, so we get him in here and get him going. We'll find out whether or not he has any power, or whether I can move this big old thing by myself. This is why I brought the Tundra, though. I knew he wasn't gonna be able to do much help, so. Are we ready?
Okay, my friend. The faster we do it, the better.
Faster. Have it in gear, be ready to go. When it tightens up, give me gas. Here we go. Oh. What are you doing? Thank you. Come on, baby. Keep coming. Coming through with a motorhome in tow. Coming through with a motorhome in tow. Coming through with a motorhome in tow. Don't say 8 times, Christian. Coming through with a motorhome in tow. Coming through with a motorhome behind me. All right, we did it.
Oh, yeah.
We did it. Oh yeah. Oh, he didn't see me. We did it. Oh yeah.
The only thing is,
Yes.
is there a
This-
parking lot I can pull into?
Well, if you have a tow truck coming, this is where you want to be.
Right here?
Right, this is where I leave cars that are stuck all the time.
Okay.
Because he can back right up to you.
Okay.
But people,
Bother me or
no, people can still get around you. Just tell them Santo towed you here and you're waiting on a tow truck.
Waiting on a
and
tow truck.
everyone will leave you alone as long as you give them my name, all right? It's having a good time just pouring the entire thing out of the front right now.
Oh, yeah, that's lovely.
You see that?
Yeah.
You got that on the camera?
Yeah.
Because that's not normal.
It's between the motor and the transmission where I saw the feet.
Oh, yeah, so I think the
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It looks like it might be your main rear.
Or the motor, you mean?
Yeah, or the seal between the transmission and the motor.
Yeah, okay, the
It definitely has a transmission oil smell. There could be some motor oil, but it's definitely transmission oil.
I thought you were going to pull it so well.
Yeah, we just don't have the gear for the street. It's a
No.
$400 rope and a mile on the road, and it ruins it. So
This truck is good.
yeah, strong, huh?
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
What's with those tires, man?
tires help a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And
Appreciate it.
you be blessed, man.
Plus,
Glad we're able to get you. Yeah,
Semper Fi.
Semper Fi.
You guys say hoorah, we say hoorah.
That's right. Yeah, man. But we mean the same thing.
Mean the same thing.
Be blessed. All right. That was pretty cool. Tundra did exactly what she was supposed to. Didn't overheat. Had all the balls that we needed. Now we're gonna go back on the beach and take a victory lap. Come on.
Soon after.
Tower tourist.
Yeah, we're willing to help push. I think your front end's a little too deep. I think I'm gonna have to dig it out more. I put a rope on it, but I'll help push.
Yeah, I thought probably dig it out a little bit and push, but
Yeah, the problem is that whole front plate is on. And we've done like 2,000 vehicles. We always
I'm
push
a
if
local,
we can.
so that's why I
I'll let
was
you
like,
know.
yeah, I
Yeah,
pulled
man.
over right there.
Does she have her traction control? Do you have your traction control off? Which is it looks like a car with burning out, like a little squiggly line underneath it. It could be a button all the way over.
This is a rental.
Nope. On the hard buttons. Right. Nope. One over.
Oh.
Right there. You're a winner, chicken dinner. All right, put it in drive.
Okay.
And we're gonna try and all push it. I don't give it hot rod gas, just a little bit of gas.
Okay.
If it's gonna work with a little bit of gas, okay? All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, no. She's railed out. All right, nope, you're railed out, Donna. Go ahead and put it in park. I'm gonna get in front of you and we'll get you. You had your picking brake on? You want to? Let's try it again. No, hey, no worries. We're willing to try again. The old parking brake.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's give it one more shot. We had the old parking brake going. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Give it some gas.
Give it gas. Oh, we're so close.
Nope.
Nope.
No. Nope. Go ahead, and put it in park. You're sitting on your frame. We tried.
I know you guys got him.
Yeah, we do.
I'm a local, so I get it.
It's good to try though. I appreciate you helping out.
Try.
Hey, you know that's how we started.
It's told me to stop and try, so I did.
You got to. You have to.
Guys, enjoy your vacation.
That's right. You will be enjoying your vacation. You will enjoy your vacation. You will enjoy your vacation.
Gosh, I'm like, tell me you're a tourist without telling me you're a tourist. God.
Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, sure, but all I need to do is to go back to where the control arms are. So it usually doesn't take me long to get there, and I know exactly where I'm going. But I appreciate the offer, my friend. You know what? Oh yeah. Us old guys, you know the way we stay in shape is doing some shoveling. Thank you, sir. All right. This front end is down far enough that it's in the dirt or in the sand, but I think I have enough room to get underneath it. I was looking at one of Johnny's films and he's got them, oh, turn the wheel all the way left, turn the wheel all the way right, because he doesn't get down like under the front as much. He likes to try and do it over the top of the tire well, which is all good and well, you know. Good for him. Doesn't have to get sandy like the Sandman. So when it's time to go, I'm gonna have you in driving.
Okay.
But for right now,
Sure, I should be enjoying.
absolutely, I got you 100%.
Okay.
Guarantee it, okay?
Okay.
When I get you hooked up, we'll get you to do that. But I just wanted to know if you're willing to come along with us. We're recording right now.
Oh, sure.
And we'll put it up on the internet.
Yeah, actually, I'm a realtor and I have a good internet. I was about to tag you guys.
Cool.
Tell me your report. What is your Facebook?
Santo LLC.
SANDTOW.
Is there a space?
No, I don't think so. If you just type in Santo, you'll see it. It can't hide from you. All right, young lady. It's time to get that Disney ride going. Hop on in there.
Yeah, as you can tell, I already had one towing from my freaking the resort I stayed out. I was parking, I guess, too close to the side.
Oh my God. They love doing that stuff. Well, my tow is probably going to be, how much did they charge you? Yeah, my tow, I guarantee will be less than theirs.
Okay, so I put it in drive.
Yes, ma'am, put it in drive. So we're going to end up trying to turn that way. So I'm going to go forward, but I want your wheel turned all the way. And then when we come out, just give it just a little bit of gas.
Okay.
But don't come up on me because we don't want the rope to get in the tire. Just a little bit of gas to help me like you're my caboose, okay? And when we get going this way and on this hard stuff, we'll stop right down there and I'll unhook you and we'll get you out of here, okay? Here we go.
All right, let's rock and roll.
Woohoo! Just like that. You can tell there's no metal. All synthetic and kinetic. We're all synthetic and kinetic.
Take card.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
You can tap me up.
Thank you so much. You're gonna lifesaver.
Well, I'm glad that you think so. I'm glad you're willing to be part of our,
We literally tried this for a good hour before we called you.
as it should be. You want a receipt or no evidence?
No evidence.
No.
Well, I did make a post on Facebook, so it's gonna be
Well, and we're gonna probably have 100,000 people watch it. So,
great.
but we'll get no receipt. All right. Okay. So
Awesome.
you can head out right around me. So go ahead. What I want you to do, you're leaving, right?
Yes.
Okay. I figured.
Definitely.
Just go down here, stay on the darker sand,
Okay.
and then when you turn, have enough speed to make sure you go out the ramp. Okay. So go ahead and put it in drive and turn this way.
Awesome. It was just back.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
All right.
There you go. Perfect. Hey, be blessed. Bye. And there they go. You see, that's nice. That was a nice experience, nice people, nice last pull of the day. Y'all have a great night.
Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.